So our first maneuver today
Okay.
will be the parallel parking.
Okay.
Now the examiner will ask you to park your car somewhere safe. Usually, look, the whole point for the parallel parking is so you can park between the two cars. But examiners will not make you do that. They will make you do it when there's no cars behind
Okay.
you, just for the health and safety reasons.
Okay.
So the examiner say to you, whenever it's safe to do so, I would like you to do the reverse parking.
Okay.
Or some good examiners say to you parallel parking.
Okay.
But the only parking you can do over here right now is a parallel parking with a car in front of you.
Okay.
They might say to you, use a car parked in front of you, parked up side by side, and reverse your car back 2 cars length, please. So whenever we're doing the maneuver, what 2 things examiner will be testing you on? Any idea?
So it'll be obviously your what you look at observations,
correct.
And I'm presuming your positioning,
Control.
control. Okay.
Okay. Now, when we talk about observations, are we talking about the mirrors or are we talking about the shoulders check?
It'll be both, won't it? Because
It's mainly the shoulders check.
mainly shoulder. Okay.
Mirrors, I can give you one example. If you look at this mirror, what can you see in this mirror?
Well, like the bit of the door and the bit of the
That's
floor.
it.
And yeah. Okay.
But if you now look on your left shoulder, look how
Yeah.
much you can see all
Yeah, I can
that's
see a
over
lot
there.
more.
So it's
Okay.
mainly the shoulder. You can glance your mirrors. You can also glance your screen if you have got it. No problem whatsoever. As long as you're looking over the shoulder after a few seconds, that's what examiners want really. And because we says control, a lot of people, they think that they need to do this maneuver very quickly. No. In the automatic car, my advice to you is just use your brakes. Brakes to go forward to go there,
Okay.
and brakes to come back as well.
No
Okay.
problem.
I'm going to explain to you my way,
Okay.
so you will understand this. Now, look, whenever you start doing this maneuver, when the examiner asks you to do this, you don't need to rush yourself. The first thing you need to do to help yourself is lower your left mirror in this maneuver.
Okay.
And the reverse bay parking.
Okay.
Why we lower the left mirror? So when you're reversing, because you're looking over the shoulders and you're glancing your mirrors, you can see where the curb is.
Okay.
So you're allowed to do this in your exam. It's perfectly fine. So if you lower the left mirror for me first,
So that's there, isn't it?
yeah, and then push it down. So you do it the way you can see the curve. I would do more if I would. You keep doing more, keep going more.
Okay.
Can you see the curve better?
Yeah.
You sure about it?
Yeah, very,
Okay.
very clearly.
Now what I want you to do, I will talk you through step by step.
Okay, yeah.
So we're gonna go to drive, check our mirror, signal, blind shoulder check.
Okay.
And just keep rolling and then stop side by side to the black car.
Yep.
But make sure once you stop, give yourself a 1 door's length space from
Okay.
the side, clearance.
No problem.
And once you're side by side, make your tires straight as well.
Okay,
Yeah,
no
let's
problem.
do this. Signal, blind shoulder check.
Okay. There is a car coming.
Yeah, so
there.
stop the car now.
Yeah.
So we saw him coming, so we might just as well let them come.
Yeah. There's another
It's
one.
perfectly, yes. So it's perfectly fine because you're not committed yet. But once you're committed,
Yeah. You've
then,
got to go through
then
with
they
it.
have to stop for you. So look at your
Okay.
shoulder check again. That's it, good.
Okay.
And that's it. Start coming. Make sure you give a 1 meter clearance. More steering, fast steering, more to the left, and stop your car. Make your tire straight. That's
Okay.
it. That is your how you do that. Now
Okay.
go to the reverse. Do your full 360 degrees check. Start reversing slowly. Keep your wheels straight for a minute. The first reference when you side wing mirror in the middle of the car,
Okay.
you do 1 steering to the left, 1 full. So that's your 1.
Okay.
Keep looking around over the shoulders. That's it. And just go slowly. Key is go slowly. Keep looking over the shoulders, check. That's it. Good. Well done. You can glance your screen as well. So that middle green line, when you see that it's just before the curb, about there,
Yep.
stop the car. 2 to the right now. So 1, 2. Start doing observations. Start reversing. Anybody start moving behind you, we need to stop for them as well. Okay, so just go slowly. Now we lower the left mirror. Do you think we're getting a bit too close?
I can't. Yeah, I think so.
We are. I think
Okay.
so. We need to go for plan B. What
Okay.
can you do now to go slightly more away from the curb? What can you do with the steering?
So that'll be going to the right.
Full lock to the right.
Full lock to the right. Yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
so full lock to the
That's
right
no
now.
problem.
That's it. Go slowly, and it should resolve the issue. But there's a car coming. What do we do for the car? We
Just
stop.
wait,
Do your
yeah.
observations again. What's important is the reference of the green line to get that correct. So once you become parallel, stop now.
There,
Can you see
yeah,
that?
yeah, I can
Make
see
your
that.
tire
Perfect, yeah. So that's
straight.
there.
Do your observations again.
Okay.
Start reversing again. Shoulders check. Remember, shoulders check. That's it. Good. Perfect. Good. And then secure your car.
Okay.
So we have to go for the plan B because we were getting slightly close to the curve.
Okay.
Now, if we're going to try this again.
Okay, no problem.
If we do better, the reason why we went, let me give you a clue. You see this green line here, the one you're using? We went slightly too close.
Oh, okay, no problem.
So next time we may need to stop just an millimeter or centimeter just early.
Okay. No
Okay.
problem, yeah.
If you do that, that will mean you have got enough gap over there.
Okay.
If you want to try this again, we've got
Yes.
loads of time. Try this again
Yeah,
without my help.
so. Yep, yeah, well,
Okay,
I'll try
let's
again.
do this
Okay,
then.
so we're going to drive, and then we're going to do mirror, 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 signal, shoulder.
Excellent work. Well
shoulder,
done.
nobody coming. Okay. So we're going to get about there, and then we're going to do that there, and then straighten up.
Good.
Okay, and then we're gonna into reverse, and then we're gonna do mirror, mirror before we reverse, shoulder, shoulder. Hey, see, getting it right. Okay, keep doing
No.
that. No.
You see, when the reference meets,
Yeah.
you only did half. It's supposed to be doing
Full one. Okay,
One.
okay, full.
That's
There we
your
are.
one.
Okay.
1, 2, 1.
Yep. Okay. Checking. There.
Slightly more.
Slightly.
There.
Okay,
Okay.
yep. And then it's one full turn to the right.
2 to the right.
2 to the right, okay.
1 to make it wheel straighten,
Straight, and then 1 to
go the
turn.
right.
Okay, that makes sense. And then we're going to lock that behind. Check the curb.
Yes, good.
Okay, and then we're
1 to the left.
straightening, and
Observations.
observations, shoulder, shoulder, and reverse.
And that's more than enough.
Yeah, okay.
There you go.
Oh, that was better.
A lot better.
I didn't overthink it.
No, exactly. Because you were talking to yourself.
Yeah.
The only thing is that you didn't do one. to
Yeah,
the left,
yeah,
okay?
yeah.
Obviously, it's on a recording now as well. So when I'm going to upload this, good news for you is you can always go back and check, and
Yes,
then
yeah.
that will help you a lot. To be honest with you.
Okay.
I think you did very well now. So are
Yeah.
you happy with this?
Yeah, I feel okay. Like I said, I've only ever done it once, so.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I think it was good. Don't forget, we're going to keep practicing anyway.
Of course, yeah.
Okay. So we're going to put our mirror back up again, please.
Okay, so that's still on there, isn't it? So let's put that up.
And good. And then whenever it's safe to do so, let's drive off, please.